A major step in fighting coronavirus and a big relief for some parents. Children ages 5 to 11 now eligible to receive Pfizer's pediatric COVID-19 vaccine. Hospitals across the country began administering those shots this morning, and it's the same for kids right here in Houston. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sion Rhodes. Two brothers were the first to roll up their sleeves at Texas Children's Hospital in the Medical Center. KPRC2's Haley Hernandez, the only TV health reporter in our area. She is part of our Vaccine Central team, and she was there for this milestone moment. She's live now in the newsroom with the very latest developments on this big day. Haley?
You're absolutely right, Sion. I was inside Texas Children's this morning when the first two school-age kids in Houston received their COVID-19 vaccine. And this is a major milestone in the fight against COVID because it means all school-age children are now eligible for the vaccine and could be fully immunized by Christmas. Now, that is closing in on 2 years since the start of the pandemic and 1 year since a deadly spike in cases contributed to the more than 9,000 lives that COVID has already taken in Harris County alone. Children have long thought to be immune from those severe consequences of COVID, but many doctors now believe they can transmit the virus to other vulnerable people. So now that 28 million kids nationwide are eligible for the vaccine, Texas Children's says their appointments are quickly filling up. Children will get 1/3 the dose that adults get, and the doctors I spoke with this morning insist there's been very few side effects in children, and those that they did experience are mild, like a sore arm, a slight fever. The video you're watching right now is of when the brothers Patrick and Paxton from Lamarck were the first kids in our area to get this shot. Now, this is important to their family and the doctors and nurses at TCH because Paxton had leukemia.
Here at Texas Children's, we have taken care of lots of kids, even without underlying medical conditions, who have gotten sick. For Paxton, because he has leukemia, because he has been in remission for a long period of time, but is still at risk for getting sick if he were to get infected with COVID-19, it's extremely important that I protect him not just from leukemia, but also from COVID.
So we have been reaching out to other places administering vaccines. Memorial Hermann tells me that they are taking walk-ins. 30,000 people have already scheduled appointments through the Texas Children's website this morning, and they said they're averaging about 1,000 appointments per hour since the CDC approved Pfizer for young children. Sion?
Haley, thank you. Pharmacy